To humidify a room without a humidifier, use natural evaporation by simmering water on the stove, placing bowls of water near heat sources or in sunny spots, hanging wet clothes or towels to dry indoors, keeping houseplants which release moisture via transpiration, and leaving the bathroom door open after a hot shower to let steam escape. Simple actions like cooking more or leaving the dishwasher door open after a cycle also add moisture. Simmer a pot of water on the stove, add herbs or vanilla for scent. Leave the bathroom door open after a hot shower or let bath water sit in the tub for a while. Hang damp towels or clothes on racks around the room to air dry. Mist curtains, rugs, or houseplants with water from a spray bottle. Tropical plants release moisture through transpiration. Water them well. Place bowls or vases of water on window sills, shelves, or near heat vents radiators to speed up evaporation. A small water feature like indoor fountains adds constant, gentle humidity. During cooking, boiling pasta, making soup, or steaming vegetables releases steam. Leave the door ajar after a cycle to let the steam out from dishwasher. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.